Today I shall start exercise 7.1 question number 5. Here a figure is given. 4 friends are seated at points A, B, C and D. Okay, here A, B, C and D. And one student Champa says ABCD is a square and Chameli, one other student, disagrees. So using distance formula you find out who is correct. Okay, now look, this point is A whose coordinate is 3, 4. Okay, I have written here. This point is B whose coordinate is 6, 7. And C is a point whose coordinate is 9, 4. And D is a point whose coordinate is 6, 1. Now AB, the distance AB, BC, CD and AD at first find out. So AB equal to formula one time I have written x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now what AB, this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. So 6 minus 3, 9, 3 square equal to 9 and 7 minus 4, 3. So 3 square equal to 9. So AB equal to root 18. Now BC, same formula. So I have not written the formula again. Directly I have put the values. 9 minus 6 square plus 4 minus 7 square. And that will be also 9, 3 square that is 9 and minus 3 square that is also 9. So it is root 18. Now CD. So CD. So 6 minus 9 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. So again 9 plus 9 root 18. Now AD. A and D. So 6 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square. So 9 plus 9 root 18. All the sides are same. And now two diagonals AC and diagonal BD. AC equal to 9 minus 3 square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. So 9 minus 3, 6 square that is 36 and 4 minus 4, 0. So it no need to write down. And root under 36 equal to 6. Now BD equal to 6 minus 6 square plus 1 minus 7 square. 6 minus 6, 0. So 1 minus 6 that is minus 6 square that is also root 36 which will be 6. So AB equal to BD equal BC equal to CD equal to AD. All sides are equal and AC equal to BD. Both diagonals are equal. So yes, it is a square because a property of a square is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal and each angle 90 degree and both of the diagonals are equal. Okay, so it is a square. So Champa is correct. Okay. Now question number 6. Name the type of quadrilateral formed by the following points. These coordinate of these points are given. So you at first draw a figure of a quadrilateral A, B, C, D and coordinates of the points are written. Okay. Now again same thing. AB, BC, CD, AD, 4 sides and 2 diagonals are determined. So AB equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. AB 1 minus minus 1 that is plus. 1 plus 1 whole square plus 0 minus minus 2 that is when there are 2 minus you will write plus. 0 minus minus 2 that is 0 plus 2 whole square. So it will be 4 plus 4 root 8. And BC. So minus 1 square plus 2 minus 0 square. That is 4 plus 4 root 8. And CD. Minus 3 minus plus 1 square plus 0 minus 2 whole square. that is also 4 plus 4 root 8. And AD, so minus 3 minus minus plus 1 square plus 0 minus minus plus 2 square. So minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 square, that is 4 plus 4. It is also root 8. And AC equal to AC minus 1 minus minus plus 1 square plus 2 minus minus plus 2 square. So it is cancel because minus 1 plus 1 cancel. 2 plus 2 4, 4 square, that is 16. Root 16 equal to 4. And similarly BD minus 3 minus 1's whole square plus 0 minus 0's whole square. So minus 4 square, that is 16 equal to 4. Here also AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. All sides are equal and AC equal to BD. Both diagonals are equal. So this quadrilateral is a square. Okay. Now next question. Here also again 4 coordinate of 4 points are given of quadrilateral ABCD. So you draw a figure of quadrilateral ABCD and write down their coordinates, and AC and BD are joined. Same math, AB equal to 3 minus minus 3 means 3 minus minus plus 3 square plus 1 minus 5's whole square, that is 36 plus 16 equal to 52, which can be split up as 2 into 2 into 13, so 2 root 13. And BC equal to 0 minus 3 square plus 3 minus 1 square, that is 9 plus 4 root 13. And CD equal to CD minus 1 minus 0 square plus minus 4 minus 3 square, that is 1 plus 49, 7 square, that is 49 equal to root 50, which will be split up as 2 into 5 into 5, 5 root 2. And AD equal to minus 1 plus 3 square plus minus 4 minus 5 square, that is 4 plus 81 equal to root 85. And AC equal to 0 plus 3 square plus 3 minus 5 square equal to 9 plus 4, 13. And BD equal to minus 1 minus 3 square plus minus 4 minus 1 square, that is 16 plus 25 root 41. Now here we see that in triangle ABC, BC plus AC equal to AB, that is root 13. This value we have got. AC also root 13 and AB 2 root 13. So ABC points are collinear because sum of the two sides is equal to the third side. So ABC are collinear. When it is collinear, since so triangle ABC cannot be formed, and when triangle cannot be formed, then quadrilateral ABCD cannot be formed. Okay. So quadrilateral cannot be formed. And next question. Here also coordinate of 4 points are given. Same math. I have done AB equal to AB 7 minus 4 square plus 6 minus 5 square. After calculation we get it root 10. And BC 4 minus 7 square plus 3 minus 6 square. And after calculation you will get root 18. And CD 1 minus 4 square plus 2 minus 3 square. 9 plus 1 root 10. And AD 1 minus 4 square plus 2 minus 5 square equal to 9 plus 9 root 18. And 4 sides is completed. Now in two diagonals AC and BD. AC, now 4 minus 4 square plus 3 minus 5 square, that is 4 minus 4 0, 3 minus 5 minus 2 square equal to 4, that is 2. And BD equal to 1 minus 7 square plus 2 minus 6 square, that is 36 plus 36, 36 plus 16 equal to root 52. Here AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD, because AB and CD are root 10, BC and AD are root 18. But so both pairs of opposite sides are equal, but diagonals are not equal. AC and BD are not equal. diagonals are not equal. Show ABCD is a parallelogram. Because property of a parallelogram is both pairs of opposite sides are equal but diagonals are not equal. If the diagonals are equal, then it will be a rectangle. Okay, but diagonals are not equal, so it is a parallelogram. Okay.